Hello, welcome and thank you for joining me today. We are going to be doing a hair tutorial and my model is my daughter.
Hi, my name is Francis.
We are going to be doing a very quick, easy box braid styles and we are using the Easy Twin professional braiding hair. It's in the color 2T1B burgundy, so the ends is a little bit more burgundy as you can see. I'll be right back and I will show you quickly the materials we are going to be using today. Don't forget to like,
share,
and subscribe. Thank you. Welcome back. So for today's tutorial, I'm going to be using 2 packs of hair. I have a shiner jam, so you can use any jam you have available. And here I have some hair clips, and you need a comb. You need a rat tail comb as well, a pair of scissors, and then I'm going to use a leave-in conditioner. You don't want to comb your hair dry. And we need a foam wrap to set the hair when we are done. And then finally, you need a braid spray.
Just be honest, I've been in my head. Reinforce my walls with all these hypotheticals. When it comes to you, no one really compares. But I'm scared and I'm nervous. I don't wanna get hurt anymore. I don't want nobody else. You know that you're fine as hell. I got ahead of myself. Finishing races and never begin now. I don't want nobody else. You know that you're fine as hell. I get ahead of myself. Keep on telling myself, don't rush, it's a little crush. Don't need to worry about it, don't need to figure it out. Don't rush, it's a little crush. Just let go, don't need to figure it out. Don't rush, it's a little crush. Don't need to worry about it, don't need to figure it out. Don't rush, it's a little crush. Just let go. Making time, not taking it to clear my doubts. Cleared out all the clutter, I'm no longer seeing clouds. Yeah, you deserve much better. You deserve much better. And I deserve a chance at new love. I don't want nobody else. You know that you're fine as hell. I got ahead of myself. Finishing races will never begin now. I don't want nobody else. You know that you're fine as hell. I get ahead of myself. Keep on telling myself, don't rush, crush. Don't worry about it. Don't need to figure it out. Don't rush, it's a little crush. Just let go. Don't need to figure it out. Don't rush, it's a little crush. Need to worry about it. Don't need to figure it out. Don't rush, it's a little crush. Just let go. Don't need to figure it to worry about it, don't need to figure it out. Now don't rush, it's a little crush.
10 a week ago. You told me that you got me when your check came home. I've been waiting patiently cause you my homie, bro. But times is getting hard, so I'ma need to see that cheddar though. You ain't been picking up, you finding escapes. I might have to white you out just like you Colgate. You been ducking at the crib thinking that you safe, but little do you know I'm posted right up in your driveway. I'ma beat you up, I'ma tear you down. I'ma turn your little smile into a big ol' frown. Cause evidently you don't wanna send a message now. And you holding to my money like you Oscar proud. I'ma find you, and I'ma get you. I'ma stick into your head just like I'm Cantu. It's a couple things in life I'll make amends to, but owing me some money, hell no, this a no can do. 17. Give me my money. Yeah. Yeah. Give me my money. Yeah. 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 Give me my money. Damn. Yeah. Give me my money. Yeah, give me my money. Look. Day 10. At this point I'ma have to just cave your face in. Damn, you think I forgot about all them payments? Boy, I'm on your ass with my mask on just like I'm Jason. I know that you bounded to get complacent. Pop out the smoker, ask Tay-Tay about how her day went. Just know I've been plotting and I've been waiting. Might hit you with the orange Bronco just like I'm Peyton. You need to get my money, come on. This ain't no sweet life, I'ma need to get my bread and no song. You want IG and your Da Vinci and your shirts be long. But in real life you broke it in a Paul George fibula bone. I know you gon' pay me when the time's right, but the time is now, I'm finna knock out your lights. Got you thinking shoulda never tweaked on me twice, and had you curving up that hill just like a turnpike. Give me that, give me that money. Give me that, give me that money. Give me that money. Give me that, give me that money. Give me that, give me that money. Damn, give me that, give me that money. Give me that, give me that money. Give me that, give me that money. Man, give me my money and stop playing. Give me that money. Y'all know somebody that owe y'all some money? I know that money. Give me that, give me that money. Give me that, give me that money. Jamal, give me that money. Tony, give me that money. Yeah, man, give me my money. Give me my money. Give me my money. Yeah, give me my money. Damn, give me my money. 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 Came in 17. Give me bread and the peso. Give me one. Then the wave. Any longer, I'ma have to call Fredo. Get the hammer, then spread you like Eggo. Give me that bread. Give me that bread. Give me that bread. Give me that bread.
When there's no more hope is left in me, I can see what comes my way, and I'm always lost. There's nowhere else to go. All I do is fall. Feels like I can make it more than I could bear. Giving up is all that I can surrender to you. Take me in your arms and hold me. With your love, find my rest and I can see you lead me. You make me hope again. Your love is all I ever need. Never knew this love can make my heart beat. You hold my world again. Your love is all I ever need. No one else will.
alright, alright. Okay, okay, okay. Alright, alright, alright. Okay, okay, okay. Alright, alright, alright. Okay, okay.
Thank you so much for staying with us. We are all done. So we ended up using 1.5 packs. So each pack has 2 bundles. I still have this left. So this style doesn't use a lot of hair at all. So as you can see, it's really quick, really easy, and yeah, very light. Okay, so what do you think about your hair?
I like how it's light and you can style it any way you want.
So you can put this up in a ponytail, you can do a half updo, you can leave it down like this, you can even take this to the back, you can leave it at the front. So really, the styles are endless. So don't forget to like,
share,
and subscribe. Until next time when we bring you another exciting video, have a blessed and wonderful day.